How to fix try searching to get started YouTube problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So are you suffering because when you open YouTube, you see try searching to get started and you don't see your recommended videos? Then I'll help you out. This may be because your incognito mode is turned on. So turn it off. You have to go to your profile icon on the bottom right, and there you'll find turn off incognito. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can see your recommended videos is back again. Now another problem might be because your watch history is paused. Now to turn on your watch history, you'll have to go to your profile again, and then you'll have to go to settings on the top right, and then there you'll find manage all history. Tap on it. Now you can see not saving your YouTube history. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you have to tap on turn on. So now this will turn on your YouTube history and you will get your recommended videos. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.